Groups can be divided into primary groups, which are small and involve close personal connections, and secondary groups, which are larger and more impersonal. Primary groups play essential roles in our identity formation and well-being. Secondary groups are more task or goal-focused. We form in-groups of people we identify with and out-groups who we see as different from us. Reference groups provide standards of comparison for our behavior. A group's size affects its dynamics. Small groups under 20 foster participation, while larger groups require more formal procedures. Groups have both instrumental leaders who are concerned with tasks and expressive leaders who are concerned with relationships. Democratic leaders encourage group involvement, while authoritarian leaders issue orders. Conformity reflects how much people want to fit in with group norms. Asch experiments reveal how intense conformity pressure can be. Formal organizations include normative, coercive, and utilitarian types. Normative or voluntary organizations. Groups people voluntarily join to pursue shared interests or gain intangible benefits. Coercive organizations. Groups of people are required or forced to join. People join or are made to join because they have to be there. Utilitarian organizations. Groups people join to obtain material rewards or benefits. People join to get something they need, like money, education, and opportunity. Max Weber identified some critical characteristics of bureaucracies, which he saw as the ideal type of formal organization. Hierarchy refers to the command structure with a transparent chain of authority. Division of labor means specialized roles and responsibilities. Explicit rules are written policies and procedures. Impersonality aims to remove personal feelings and biases. According to Weber, the bureaucratic form aims to improve efficiency and equal opportunity and serve large populations through standardization and merit-based hiring and promotion. However, bureaucracies can become inefficient and out of touch over time as they become large and rigid. The hierarchical structure and division of labor can inhibit flexibility, problem-solving, and adaptation needed in modern work. The McDonaldization thesis refers to the increasing influence of the fast food business model and its principles in many areas of society. Sociologist George Ritzer coined the term to describe how the values and operating model of McDonald's restaurants have spread to influence many institutions. The main principles of McDonaldization that shape other organizations and systems are efficiency, division of labor into highly specialized roles to improve productivity. Predictability, standardization of products and processes so things are the same across locations. Calculability, an emphasis on things that can be quantified and measured, like sales and productivity, often enabled by technology. Control, monitoring systems like scripts, surveillance, and oversight to reduce errors and ensure conformity. Other companies, industries, and institutions like education, healthcare, and government bureaucracies have increasingly adopted aspects of this business model. The result is that many areas of society have become more standardized, homogenized, and fast food-like.